If you want to edit a PDF with low cost and easy software, then today I'm going to show you a powerful tool, SysTweak PDF Editor. In this video, I'll be doing a full review of this product and sharing just how useful it is. Hello guys, welcome back to the channel Guild Global Tech. Whether you are a student, a freelancer, or work in an office, this video is extremely useful for you. Let's get started. This is the SysTweak PDF Editor dashboard. And here you get 8 powerful features. First, open PDF. You can open any existing PDF file and start working instantly. Second, edit PDF. Here, you can edit text, add images, and modify your document easily. Third, convert PDF. Convert your PDF into Word, Excel, PowerPoint, or even images. Fourth, merge PDF. Combine multiple PDF files into a single file. Fifth, add notes. You can add highlights, comments, and notes, perfect for study or review. Sixth, compress PDF. Reduce file size for easy sharing or uploading. Seventh, sign PDF. Add your digital signature to documents. Eighth, protect PDF. Secure your PDF with a password. Now let's check out the OCR feature. Go to the OCR tab. Click on Perform OCR. Select your file and convert scanned text into fully editable text. First, use Add Text to insert new text into any PDF. Use Edit Content to modify existing text. And with Add Image, you can easily insert images too. Need to find something? Use Search and Replace to instantly locate and change text. Use the crop feature to remove unwanted parts. And add clickable links with Add Link. For branding, add a watermark. And if you want to track changes, go to More options to manage notes, shapes, and page numbers. Most useful, sign PDF. Here, you can draw, upload, or type your digital signature. From editing to professional finishing, everything in one powerful software. If you want to add comments or convert files in a PDF, SysTweak PDF Editor makes it super easy. First, let's talk about comment features. You can use highlight to mark important text. Use underline and strike through to clearly show notes. And use the squiggly line to highlight errors or key points. Want to draw freely? Use freehand line. And with Add Notes, you can attach sticky notes for detailed comments. You can also make your PDF more interactive using stamp, shapes, and attachments. Now let's move to convert features. Easily convert your PDF into Word, Excel, PowerPoint, or image. And with the Convert from option, turn Word, Excel, or images into PDF instantly. Save time using batch process to convert multiple files at once. So not just editing, reviewing and converting is now super fast. Now let's talk about view and page features that take your PDF experience to the next level. First, view options. With actual size, you can see the document in its original size. Fit width adjusts the document to your screen width. And fit page shows the entire page at once, perfect for a full overview. In scrolling mode, you can scroll continuously. With single view, focus on one page at a time. And side by side makes comparing multiple pages super easy. Now let's move to page tools. You can rotate pages to fix orientation. Use delete to remove unwanted pages. And insert to add new pages anytime. With extract, you can pull out specific pages into a separate file. And replace lets you swap any page easily. So whether it's viewing or page management, everything is fast and simple. Now let's talk about secure and forms features that make your PDFs professional and safe. First, secure options. With Protect PDF, you can add a password to your file, so no one can open or edit it without permission. Use Unprotect to remove the password. And with Mark Redaction, you can hide sensitive data like numbers, emails, or personal info. Once you click Apply Redaction, that data is permanently removed, full security. You can also use remove metadata to delete hidden file details. Now let's move to Forms features. Use add text and edit content to make changes directly. And add image to insert images into your PDF. In Form Tools, you get options like text field, checkbox, radio button, combo box, which means you can turn any PDF into a fully fillable form. And the most powerful, signature field. Add digital signatures for a fully professional workflow. Now let's talk about the OCR feature. This is the most powerful feature. OCR stands for Optical Character Recognition. It means converting an image or scanned PDF into editable text. First, click on Perform OCR. Here, you get two options. OCR from PDF. If your file is already a PDF, but the text is not selectable. OCR from image. If you are using a scanned image or photo, just select a file. Run OCR. And the entire content becomes editable. Now you can copy, edit, and search text just like a normal document. You can also use batch OCR to convert multiple files. Text can be a complete game changer. Now let's talk about the tools features. Here you get several useful options. Merge PDF. Combine multiple PDFs into a single file. Compress PDF. Reduce file size for easier sharing. Bookmarks. Navigate easily through long PDFs. Repair PDF. Fix corrupted or damaged PDF files. In the Batch Process section, you can work on multiple files at the same time, such as converting, compressing, or performing OCR. This saves a lot of time. And in More Options, you get additional tools like word count, extract images, and compare PDF files. Simple. Manage, optimize, and control your PDFs all in one place. This tab is very powerful for daily use. So if you liked this PDF editor, I've added the download link in the comments and description below. You can directly click and download it. And if you're a mobile user, you can download the app from the Play Store and use it on your phone as well. Now let's talk about pricing. The 1-year plan is available for just 2,499 rupees. And if you're planning to use it long-term, the lifetime plan is available for 4,999 rupees, one-time payment. If you compare it with other PDF tools, it offers a very affordable price along with powerful features. And the best part, it comes with a 60 days money-back guarantee, which means if you don't like it, you can get a full refund without any hassle. So check the link, give it a try, and upgrade your productivity. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video for more support.